The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hansford County, southwestern Ochiltree County, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Spearman, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Spearman. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hansford and Ochiltree.